Welcome to our Tool Explorer lesson on measuring success, analytics and metrics for social media marketing. In this session, we'll dive into the essential metrics like engagement, reach, and conversions that reveal whether your social media efforts are paying off. Throughout this video, we'll define core concepts, examine real-life examples, showcase relevant software and websites, and present practical data sets. By the end, you'll understand how to interpret and leverage metrics to sharpen your marketing strategies. Let's get started on this insightful journey. To set the stage, let's clarify the three key metrics we'll focus on: engagement, reach, and conversions. Engagement measures the interactions, likes, comments, shares, your content receives. Reach indicates how many unique people saw your post. Conversions track the number of actions taken that align with your goals, like signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. By understanding these fundamental terms, you'll be better equipped to assess your social media performance and make informed decisions about your marketing campaigns. Imagine a local bakery named Sweet Delights that recently launched an online campaign. They posted mouth-watering photos of new pastries, hoping to boost sales. Initially, their reach spiked. Thousands of people saw the posts. However, actual engagement was low. Minimal likes, just a few comments, and no surge in orders. This discrepancy highlighted a problem in their content strategy. By focusing on metrics, the bakery realized they needed more compelling visuals and calls to action. Soon, they adjusted their approach and saw meaningful improvements in both engagement and conversions. On screen, we see a simple bar chart comparing reach, engagement, and conversions for Sweet Delights before and after they refined their content. The chart shows a clear uptick in all three metrics over 2 months. Notice how engagement lags behind reach, but still trends upward once the strategy shifts. Charts like these are powerful because they give an at-a-glance view of progress, helping you quickly identify what's working and what isn't across various social media platforms. Meet TechTrend, a mid-sized electronics retailer. They struggled to connect with a younger audience on social media. Through careful analytics, they discovered that their best-performing content featured short, playful videos and interactive polls. Using social media analytics dashboards, they focused on the metrics that truly mattered: video completion rates and poll participation. Over time, TechTrend tracked conversions driven by those engaged viewers. By identifying and doubling down on what resonated most, they increased their conversion rate by 25%. This case study underscores how data-driven insights can transform your social media outcomes. Now, let's explore a popular tool for tracking these metrics: Facebook Insights. Picture a dashboard featuring audience demographics, post engagement numbers, and reach statistics. It displays which posts performed best and breaks down engagement by time of day. Showing the screenshot here, we see a sample graph of daily active users and interactions per post. By regularly consulting these insights, marketers can pinpoint high-performing content, identify optimal posting times, and refine their strategies for better overall campaign results. Data sets can be incredibly informative. Consider a CSV export from Facebook Insights or Twitter Analytics, showing columns for date, post content, reach, engagement, and click-through rate. When you filter by date or content type, you might notice trends like funny Friday posts outperforming product announcements on Sundays. Having this raw data lets you perform deeper analysis, such as correlation checks and pivot tables, to uncover patterns. Over time, these insights lead to more intelligent, data-backed campaign planning. Next, we visit Hootsuite, a comprehensive social media management tool. Here's a screenshot of their dashboard, showcasing a unified view of multiple social media platforms. By linking your accounts, Hootsuite consolidates performance metrics, reach, engagement, clicks, and more into a single analytics panel. You'll see graphs illustrating follower growth, engagement over time, and even sentiment analysis for comments. This centralized approach helps marketers quickly spot trends, schedule upcoming content, and compare performance across different networks, all from one easy-to-navigate platform. For those eager to set up advanced tracking, here's Google Analytics help documentation. Pictured is a screenshot of the initial setup guide that details how to embed tracking codes, configure goals, and interpret traffic source reports. This resource is a step-by-step manual for beginners and experts alike. Once configured, you'll be able to track on-site behavior, monitor conversions from social media campaigns, and see real-time activity, ensuring that every metric you gather leads to clearer insights about user engagement. If you're ready to deepen your knowledge on measuring success, consider these tutorials and online resources. Google Analytics Academy, free courses on setting up and interpreting analytics. Hootsuite Academy, learn about social media metrics, campaign scheduling, and advanced dashboard functions. Facebook Blueprint, explore video lessons on leveraging Facebook Insights and ad performance metrics. LinkedIn Marketing Labs, dive into B2B-focused analytics and conversion tracking for LinkedIn campaigns. Each tutorial helps you refine your data analytics skills for next-level marketing strategies. Beyond the big names, you can also check out platforms like Sprout Social, Buffer, or HubSpot. Each offers unique dashboards, reporting features, and collaboration tools. For instance, Sprout Social provides detailed sentiment analysis and in-depth competitor benchmarking. Buffer's user-friendly interface excels at scheduling and presenting clear, concise metrics. HubSpot integrates seamlessly with sales pipelines, letting you track leads from initial social media interaction all the way to closed deals. Sampling multiple tools can help you find the right fit for your organization's needs. While engagement and reach are crucial, conversions usually signal the greatest success. This is where you attribute specific actions, like signups, downloads, or purchases, to your social media efforts. Consider linking your ads or organic posts to trackable pages, such as campaign-specific landing pages. That way, you can see exactly where visitors are coming from and what steps they take before converting. By refining each stage, from ad creatives to landing page copy, you'll build a continuous feedback loop, driving even stronger conversion rates over time. Raw numbers alone won't drive your strategy. Interpretation is key. Construct narratives from your data that explain why a certain post soared while another fizzled. Did the high performer feature a compelling call to action or address a trending topic? Did it resonate with a specific demographic? Consider making a simple infographic comparing successful versus unsuccessful posts, highlighting crucial differences in tone, content type, and posting time. This storytelling approach not only helps internal teams learn from successes and failures, it also makes performance reports more engaging and persuasive for stakeholders. At this point, you've seen how metrics, tools, and data interpretation connect. By consistently monitoring reach, engagement, and conversions, you'll uncover insights that guide your social media strategy. Tools like Hootsuite and Google Analytics streamline data gathering, while case studies show how tangible results are achievable with the right approach. Revisiting the Sweet Delight story, notice how their content improved once they focused on specific metrics. These steps apply universally. Define your goals, track relevant metrics, refine content, and watch your conversions grow. Throughout this lesson, we covered the definition of social media metrics, reach, engagement, conversions, and how they gauge campaign success. We examined how businesses like Sweet Delights and TechTrend harnessed analytics to pinpoint and amplify what works. We explored charts, diagrams, real-life datasets, and online tools such as Hootsuite, Facebook Insights, and Google Analytics. Finally, we discussed interpreting data through storytelling and framing your goals around specific metrics. Armed with these insights, you're now ready to measure, analyze, and optimize your social media strategies. When applied consistently, these metrics and tools deliver real, measurable benefits. Imagine confidently allocating your marketing budget to platforms that show the highest conversions, or refining your content strategy to boost customer engagement and loyalty. You'll spot trends early, adapt to audience preferences, and create more authentic, rewarding customer interactions. Ultimately, data-driven social media marketing not only increases your return on investment, but strengthens your brand presence. By harnessing these analytics and metrics, you're poised to thrive in the ever-evolving world of digital marketing.